Yeah, that's okay.
No, it's bad. No, the garage guy is still up. Look, his shades open.
Yeah. I told you, Milton. I got a video. Backyard work.
Look at no, it's dark. It's midnight. It is still morning. Yeah, he parked inside. No, take off the light. Hmm. This is heavy winds, you know. Oh no. But we have power. A lot of people don't have power. Yeah. It is whipping. It's whipping. 1 o'clock. Yes. till 2 o'clock in the morning. We will see the aftermath of this hurricane. Oh, it's still a little windy. Where the rabbit? Where?
He's scared.
Oh, look at the rabbit. He just go through there. He living in the backyard, you know? He's scared. Oh, look at all here. All the road. All the tree get whipping. Where the Brazilian fence wall? Oh yeah. We was fine. Thank God. I see. Oh look here, he fence fall over there. It's still windy. Yeah, he can come and finish up his job. Oh look, we got branches. You didn't see here? I know. And here we didn't get much damages. That's why we had power all night. I know the wind was bad, but oh here they checking too. Oh grown up police, he didn't get nothing. Oh, look, the neighbor over there, she out too. Look. She's taking up with you like she get damaged.
Oh, shoots. Huh.
You see?
Oh, that's where we used to live, from the water then.
Oh, my. Let me see the lake. The lake is still rough.
Yeah, I'm in the water. The lake, it's...
Oh, the lake flowing over. Look there, by Bill's spot.
Is it
Oh,
the lake?
yeah.
Yes.
I can go home far because I'm underwater, right?
No. Don't go far. I just want to get a little idea. The spot we used to live is flooded too. Wow.
No, that Bill's spot. We spotted
That's
the
Bill.
little RV there.
Oh, shoots. Well, I don't know what...
All the trees gone.
The trees?
Yeah, the tree over there is gone.
The mango tree?
Yeah, the mango tree is completely zero.
Oh, the two of them? There's two. One used to be by me and one I planted by Bill. Wow.
The mango tree is zero, you see.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Anyway.
All right, then. So thanks,
It's
man.
not so much damages anyway.
Yeah, that's the water.
Just
Not
the
so
water.
much damages.
Yeah. We're going to Log House Road.
Continue on Log House Road for half a mile.
Yeah, because we're essential workers. Watch here. I get hit, but this one's to live.
See, but out of next vehicle, the Toyota stuff, they won't let you.
No, they make you turn back. That's why the guy said the tree came into his house. But it's a GPS bring you. Look over there.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
On the southern border straight.
Turn left.
Oh, he living on the lake.
One was it 10418?
10418, yes? So no wonder the tree coming to the house.
In 600 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
That the tree they broken. Oh, look the old guy there. He say he's 70 years old. Look that one over there too.
You have arrived.
Alright.
93.
She don't follow me.
Oh, we have one that
Tree is rotten to you know, man.
Yes.
Not to let them trees are okay.
No. Where do we know there?
Look for now.
They set up in the garage down there.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna change our glass broken window with the hurricane Milton. So we're here at this job. Guys in Clement here, the storm did a lot of damages. So we do broken glass windows, so doing a job here.
You'll be right, so this is 12516.
He's 12521.
Your destination is on the left.
Left. Check on that side.
Oh, look at the guy waving.
Where are we at?
Yeah.
Wait. Mary, are we away? You're pick.
This is the lady. Had a snake? No, I hope not. So there's a lot of broken windows, guys. So we're here doing another broken window for today. So this hurricane broke a lot of people's windows. So we're replacing the glass here. Do all the oranges on the ground.
I'm gonna go in with this side here first. Put this side in here. I've got to turn the other way. Yeah, there you go.
This way first.
Right. This guy could have pulled up or back or do something.
Yeah, he parking branches on the road.
I was gonna pick up some. Right at his shop.
Kind of rough, honey.
Mm-hmm. See the water come up in the boathouse? The water high. Oh yeah. Look how high this water. Look at come up in this boathouse.
Wow.
And they don't have the stuff to carry the house up.
Oh, look at this guy boat.
Oh
He
man.
sing down the hill. Huh.
Look at the water rough. Imagine what's down in Emerald Lake.
Wow, it's nice.
Yes, look at this boat. It crashed. Look at the pontoon.
Yep.
It crashed.
Did we see that the other day? The guy tied was in that one, right?
No, no, no. The one he tied down was in the Lake Susan. There's a lake shore here. Look another one here. Come on land. And the water rough, you know. Drive mini haha lake.
See why?
Yeah.
there, man.
Firewood. Yes, this is Mineola now. Look at that boat. Look where they inside it. Look at these boats. They can't get hard here.
Yeah.
The Mineola. Oh, look all them things break up.
This is the lake, you know.
Yeah.
Look
Mm-hmm.
The man eating cover.
Somebody just
Look, that one sink.
look at John. But somebody just throw to the side of the road.
No, the Harlem up there, man. You're not wrong, eh?
Wow.
It's a good last thing here.
Yes, this is bad devastation.
Look at that Malibu.
The Malibu, not to
$200,000 boat sitting right there.
look.
Oh, man.
Hmm.
People picking. Oh my God.
Why he?
All the boat them come here. Look how much boat.
Why them people are come for them boat now?
Yeah, that might be come from the Tiki Bar.
Watch.
Yeah, they had a paper for the boat.
Oh, mama.
The boat landed. Them boat usually come from the Tiki
Look at
Bar.
this
Look
one.
where this one come. Well, Michael, you do the right thing by putting you in the backyard. Lord, why you be like this? Hmm.
One 3D in this one. How do I get out there now?
Me and
They got cut on the tree first.
And if them boat are high insurance, them is done.
Yeah.
You smart man, you put your boat in the backyard.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It should
The
be.
whole place. That's what George was saying. They got hit hard in here.
That's
This
the
is-
lake water coming up
Yes,
right
this
there.
is Emerald Lake, the lake. Look all here.
Let's see some catfish. I can put us in a banana, man.
Yeah, bring your net.
So walking in there.
You should have thrown your net to catch faster, man. I don't know, Michael.
I don't know too.
With this flood, if you can go that way, that the
I
lake,
don't know too.
you better reverse back. You're going 50.
I know, but this is the lake water.
Yeah, the lake coming in.
It's enough water about here, you know.
Yes, the lake back up.
Oh shit, the lake water run straight in here.
Yes,
shit.
we are going 50 and see.
No.
No, from 50 you
Yeah,
can see.
no, I ain't going in here.
Yeah, no, they're coming in here. Chuck Place, look all here. It's like a river.
Yes, that's the lake. Trucks are the smoke in the mud.
Yeah, you took it to hide. Look at this. Who is this, Michael? This is Ting Place?
I think that's Charlie. Yes.
Charlie.
Yeah.
Charlie get
Wow,
hit by.
Charlie get hit. He from Josie, you know.
Yeah, he died.
He died. His wife got the place. And look, Chuck Place there.
He put all kinds of stuff up there.
He put soil and stuff on his roof.
He get a little stuff in the bottom there though.
Yeah,
Little
little.
stuff.
No, but he's still there. He still have a house.
Yeah, home.
No,
get
he never
like-
Gail.
And then there's a Terry right here.
Terry ain't get damaged.
Oh, Chuck. I gotta call him later. Oh, look, we got.
Oh, yeah, your roof.
Yeah, them.
This side and he got a new roof in her. A lot of these people is from outer state. Wow, the lake, George said the lake come in.
On the other side, the island.
Yes.
Look, this one here. See that?
Oh, this road, the water ain't coming.
Just
Yeah.
imagine what me happened last night.
Yeah, look at this one. Look the roof here. Look the
This
roof.
one gone. Look here.
Look. Look this one too. Wow, this storm ain't easy.
It's scary.
No, I don't know.
I know a lot of few people in here. That's why I said let me come. There's a lot of work in here too.
So go this way.
I don't know. Is that
No,
water
go that way.
already?
You know how water. That's 50.
Yeah, man.
Look, no more. No, you can't go that way. That's the lake. Yeah, we gotta watch. The island is back that way. Oh Lord. This is Emerald Lakes. The water rise. The lake raise. It's all in people's house. All here. This is bad. Well, this is a 55 and over. You can't even drive in. All floating. All these things. Look. Yes, over the seawall. It's in people's house. It's over the seawall. Right here. 1, 2. Look at the dock here. We was parked here. Behind the pontoon. That's where your boat was parking.
This one right here.
Which one?
I think this one, right?
Yeah, that way
Yeah.
the wrong step there like or something. So that little tree there,
Uh-huh.
we believe that there you put
Yeah,
the
right
car.
there, the white.
Oh yeah, the big tree.
Right.
Yes, by the front of the pontoon. You can't get your boat. Good to get ticket out. These people can't get home.
Boat you make up there, yeah. Watch you put that there how body.
Wow.
Wow, this
Over
is
this seawall.
it's over the seawall. It's in the yard, in the house. This is sad. It's all 55 and over. This is what Milton did.
No friends, tell her friends. Tell her no friends. Friends.
Just friends.
Terry, she probably know Terry. Terry, I don't know if she. Run here, Terry, unless. So you live less. Yeah, we was parked right there.
Gary. I gotta call Gary. He's on the Gary? Yeah, he's on the other side.
Yeah, Gary did over the whole place. All the floors that it. Over there, block
So
clever.
this is Avenue.
This-
So we gotta go this way.
No, this way, for 50. That's, yeah, they block up. Oh, it come out now. Now we can.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
So this is a West Indian store. They sell all kind of West Indian stuff. So changing out 2 insulated glass, 57 by 97, both double IG, 1-inch thick storefront. Clear tempered. Before they had plate glass. That's plate, put in tempered. Tempered is considered by code. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.
There's sneaker yung mark or something.
Buta lang, apa lang. Glass install.
They're breaking that place is like crazy for the zombies.
It's another
That's why we
one.
got these.
And the glass. We keep these glass in stock. So here it is. Storefront glass.
This one.
This now.